Struggling with stretch marks can feel overwhelming, especially if you're searching for a solution that really works. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Massage Lotion. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Massage Lotion caught my attention right away, priced at just $7.09. If you want deep hydration that helps improve skin elasticity during and after pregnancy, this is worth a serious look. This lotion is designed specifically for stretch marks, with a non-greasy formula that's easy to apply. What's impressive is that it keeps your skin moisturized for a full 48 hours, which means you won't have to reapply constantly. This matters because stretch marks often develop when the skin can't stretch properly, and this lotion promotes elasticity. Palmer's has sold over 20,000 units in just the past month, which shows that many people trust this product to help with their skin concerns. Now, some people complain that the lotion can feel a bit heavy on the skin. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something that's deeply hydrating, a thicker lotion might actually work in your favor. Just be aware if you prefer something lighter. This is perfect for you if you're pregnant or have experienced weight fluctuations and want to keep your skin moisturized and elastic. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick-absorbing, lightweight option. For the price, it's a solid investment in your skin's health. Now, if that thickness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Daily Skin Therapy Solid Lotion. Next up is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Daily Skin Therapy Solid Lotion, priced at $6.68. If you're looking for something that provides immediate relief for extremely dry skin, you might want to check this one out. This solid balm is a game changer for anyone with dry skin issues. These ingredients are not just for hydration, they also help improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. This is crucial for you because while you're dealing with stretch marks, you want to keep your skin feeling soft and smooth, not just covered up. Palmer's has a reputation for using high-quality, natural ingredients, and this product is no exception. It's ideal for all skin types. However, I did find a few reviews pointing out it can be a bit difficult to spread evenly. Now, some might find this frustrating, but if you warm it up in your hands a little before applying, it glides on much better. This is perfect for you if you need something that tackles dry skin while also addressing stretch marks. Skip this one if you prefer a lotion that's easier to apply quickly. For the price, it's a fantastic value for daily moisture. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a comprehensive skincare regimen. Product number 3, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Pregnancy Skincare Kit. Now let's talk about the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Pregnancy Skincare Kit, which is priced at $24.99. If you want an all-in-one solution for stretch marks and scars, this kit is worth a serious look. This kit includes everything you need during pregnancy. It features a stretch marks lotion, tummy butter balm, and skin therapy body oil. The combination of cocoa butter, vitamin E, collagen, and elastin helps improve skin elasticity and tone while also addressing existing marks. The fact that it's dermatologist approved adds an extra layer of trust. With 10,000 units sold recently, it's clear many moms-to-be are finding value in this pack. Some users mentioned the kit might feel overwhelming with too many products. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about treating stretch marks, having multiple options allows you to customize your routine based on your skin's needs. This is perfect for you if you're expecting and want a complete skincare routine that targets stretch marks. Skip this one if you're looking for a single, simple product. For the price, it's a great investment for long-term skin health. Now, if you want something a bit simpler, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Moisturizing Body Oil. Next, we have Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Moisturizing Body Oil, which costs $10.97. If you prefer oils for hydration, this one should definitely be on your radar. This body oil is designed to provide 48-hour moisture while improving the appearance of scars and stretch marks. The oil absorbs quickly and doesn't leave you feeling greasy, which is great if you want that deep hydration without the weight. This product has been bought over 10,000 times recently, indicating it's a favorite among those looking for effective skin care. I did notice some reviews that said the oil could be a bit difficult to apply evenly. But honestly, if you're familiar with oil-based products, you'll likely find it smooths on nicely, especially when you warm it in your palms. This is perfect for you if you enjoy using oils and want a product that works on multiple skin imperfections. Skip this one if you absolutely need a lotion instead of an oil. For the price, it's a fantastic choice for those seeking rich moisture. Alright, that last oil was great, but the final product on our list is a real standout for new moms. Product number 5, Burt's Bees Mama Belly Butter. Lastly, we have Burt's Bees Mama Belly Butter priced at $16.79. If you're looking for something pregnancy-specific that's also natural, this might be your go-to. This belly butter is rich in shea butter and vitamin E, designed to soften your skin and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. It's 99% natural, which is a big deal if you're cautious about what you're putting on your skin while pregnant. Plus, it's free from sulfates and parabens, showing Burt's Bees' commitment to gentle, safe skincare. This product has also gained a lot of attention with over 10,000 recent sales. However, some users found it a bit too thick and hard to spread. Here's the thing, if you don't mind putting in a little extra effort to massage it in, the results can be worth it, especially in maintaining skin elasticity. This is perfect for you if you want a natural option that's specifically designed for pregnancy. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter lotion or balm. For the quality and ingredients, it's a solid investment. Now, let's wrap this up and compare all these options. So there you have it, my top picks for the best cocoa butter products for stretch marks. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Massage Lotion because it delivers deep hydration and promotes skin elasticity beautifully. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Burt's Bees Mama Belly Butter if you're looking for something lighter and easier to spread. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.